Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Windows 11 desktop icon is stretched horizontally. So here you can see it's all the icons and everything is stretched out. Now if you want to go ahead and fix this, go to the start menu and then type in Registry Editor and then click on Registry Editor over here. Click on yes to allow. Now this will launch the Registry Editor. Now before we make any changes in the Registry Editor, go ahead and create a backup. So click on File, then click on Export. Now select the location. I will go ahead and select Desktop. You can name it as Backup. And then for Export Range, select All and then click on Save. Now this will go ahead and create a backup for your registry. This will take a few seconds or maybe a minute. Now once this is done, now in future if you want to go ahead and restore the registry, if something wrong happens, in that case you can go to File, click on Import, select the backup and then click on Open. This will go ahead and restore the registry. Now to go ahead and fix this problem, expand H key current user. Now expand Control Panel. Now expand Desktop. Select Windows Matrix, just click on it, and on the right hand side over here you can see icon spacing. So make a double click on icon spacing and then change the value data to 1128. Now once you change it 1128, click on OK. So it's dash 1128, then click on OK. And now you have to go ahead and make a double click on icon vertical spacing. Just make a double click and again change the value data to dash 1128. So it's 1128 and then click on OK. Now once this is done, you can go ahead and close Registry Editor. Now go ahead and restart your computer. So I have restarted my computer and now here you can see all the icons are back to normal and it's not stretched out anymore. So this is how you can go ahead and fix this problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.